You just can't make this up, even on the craziest days alive. I got my PC Fin Carbon X 2000 here. Brought it all the way to Wisconsin from Michigan. First night fishing in a kayak in about 3.5 years, maybe 4. And I just got a nice bucket mouth too, on the grass jig. And you ain't even gonna ever believe how deep a water too, 2.5 feet. And he came right out of it. And I set the hook and damn it, I don't even have a net. I got him in by myself. Helps to have good equipment, huh? Jeez, what a night. Kayak fishing's fun.